Good evening, everyone. I'm Sukian Wilujeng will present about environmental observation and potency of linder fruit as alternative food substance. Let's start from introduction. We have four background. First is science and technology has an impact in industry, the cause of heavy metal pollution from lead. Second, heavy metal lead settles in the sediment, which is place mangrove grow. Third, heavy metal lead is one of the dangerous heavy metals, and in low and high levels, heavy metal lead is already toxic and has a negative impact, one of which is for linder plants. If the plant contains heavy metal lead, it will cause poisoning if consumed by humans. And the last, the habitat of the linder plant is a type of mangrove that live in coastal area with low and dry salinity and well aerated soil. Ecotourism Mangrove Surabaya is one of the place to grow linder plant. Formulation of the problem are: do the waters and sediment in the ecotourism mangrove Wonorejo Surabaya contain heavy metal lead? Does the linder fruit used as an alternative food contain heavy metal lead? And there are two research aims. The first is to determine the content of lead heavy metal found in waters and sediments in ecotourism mangrove Wonorejo Surabaya. And the second is to determine the content and position of heavy metal in linder fruit, which is used as an alternative to food. And the last is two benefit of research result. Number one is this research is expected to add knowledge and experience for the author. And the second, with this research, the public can find out the content of heavy metal lead in water, sediment, and linder fruit, which has been used as an alternative food ingredient. Number 3 is research methods. The research method used is descriptive. According to Sukma Dinata NS 2011, descriptive research is intended to describe existing phenomena, both natural phenomena or human engineering. Number 4 is general condition of the research area. This is the map of the mangrove mountain Wonorejo area. And this is the location of PT Siar or Surabaya Industry Estate Rungkut. Number 5 is research result. Based on the result and discussion of the research as follows. Number 1, water and sediment contained in ecotourism mangrove Wonorejo Surabaya have experienced lead heavy metal contamination as shown by laboratory test results, which state that the average lead content in water. Station 1 is 0.92 mg per liter, Station 2 0.86 mg per liter, and Station 3 1.8 mg per liter. While the heavy metal content of lead in sediment, Station 1 2.69 mg per kilogram, Station 2 2.92 mg per kilogram, and Station 3 2.98 mg per kilogram. The content of heavy metal lead in water has exceeded the threshold set by the Minister of Environment Decree of number 51 year 2004, which is 0.005 mg per liter, while the content of heavy metal lead in sediment has now exceeded the threshold set by the Government Regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 85 of 1999, namely 5 mg per kilogram. Number 2, the linder fruit in the Wonorejo Mangrove Ecotourism Surabaya has been contaminated with heavy metal lead, which is shown from the laboratory test result, which state that at Station 1 it is 0.13 mg per kilogram, epidermis is 0.10 mg per kilogram, mesoderm 0.04 mg per kilogram, and 0.26 mg per kilogram endoderm. Station 2 0.15 mg per kilogram, epiderm 0.13 mg per kilogram, Mesoderm 0.05 mg per kilogram, and Endoderm 0.27 mg per kilogram, and Station 3 of 0.16 mg per kilogram, Epiderm of 0.14 mg per kilogram, Mesoderm of 0.06 mg per kilogram, and Endoderm of 0.29 mg per kilogram. The content of heavy metal lead in Linder fruit is still below the threshold set by decree of the Director General of POM number 03725 PSK 7 1989, which is 2 mg per kilogram. Even though the amount doesn't exceed the established threshold, Linder fruit is still not good for consumption in large quantities. And the last is conclusion. First, based on the result and discussion, then from this research can be drawn some conclusion that the water and sediment found in ecotourism mangrove Wonorejo Surabaya has experienced heavy metal pollution lead. Second, while Linder contained in ecotourism mangrove Wonorejo Surabaya heavy metal content lead doesn't exceed the threshold that have been set by Directorate General of Food and Drug Administration Decree number 03725 PSK 7 19 and 89 at 2 mg per kilogram. Thank you.